Three more illegal guns are off the street as the police intensified their search at Stadium East. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Having vowed to continue their search until every weapon hidden at Stadium East Complex in St. Andrew is found, the security forces' commitment yielded results on Monday again with three more guns off the nation's streets. The operation, which began on Sunday, had already led to the seizure of three high-powered rifles, magazine, and assorted rounds of ammunition. On Monday, the total number of guns found at the location stood at 6, as indicated by Deputy Commissioner Fitz Bailey, the officer in charge of the crime portfolio within the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Crime anti-gang strategy. We have embarked on a number of initiatives, and from about 2:30 yesterday we started an intelligence-led operation at the Stadium East. Yesterday we recovered 3 rifles and a number of assorted rounds, along with about 3 or 4 magazines. We continued, the ground was held last night by members of the security force, including the JDF and members from the specialized operation, as well as P-Step, and we recommence our search this morning. And during the search so far we have recovered 3 firearms and a number of assorted rounds. It takes a lot of effort on the part of the police officers from the various units, P-Step, specialized ops, CTOC. We had the military yesterday. It's a very tedious, time-consuming exercise, and what you saw being demonstrated by the officers was the level of commitment, the level of resilience, and they stuck to the task, and as a result of that we have reaped significant benefits. The operation will continue. We are just taking a little break and we'll continue the operation because we are going to ensure that every firearm that is hidden in the space are recovered. The team is committed. They have shown the level of excitement about their job, and we have no doubt that we are going to succeed.
That was the Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Fitz Bailey. Continuing the news, according to reports coming outside of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the country still continues to grapple with a high crime rate, and as stated by the Deputy Commissioner of Police, people with firearms are not scared to fire, and I want to say we are going to push back, the DSP said on Sunday. With this manipulation of the whole entire system, as the government tried to procure a number of measures in order to deal with crime and violence, the country just have to wait and see what measures will be implemented by the government. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.